Hi there, welcome to the ingredient channel. Today we're making oxtail stew. If you're new to my channel, this is where every week I share homemade recipes. My goal is to recreate the authentic tastes using natural and organic ingredients I find around where I live in the United States. I am not a chef, but I enjoy eating and cooking, so all my recipes require no professional training. If I can do it, you can. The oxtail stew takes time to cook but no effort. This is a dish I cook when I crave red meat but are tired to cook. Follow me, you will know what I meant. The main ingredients are tomato, onion, and oxtails, another perfect combination. Rinse the oxtails thoroughly, then put in cold water 1 star anise, bring to a boil, and simmer for 10 minutes. Then rinse the oxtails thoroughly. This step is important as it removes the bloody smell. Put the oxtails in cold water. Make sure to add enough water to completely soak the oxtails. Add cooking wine, dried bay leaves, star anise. Slow cook for 4 hours. It's time consuming. I'm sure an instant pot will save time, but I prefer slow cooker. Typically, I'll be busy with other tasks when the slow cooker is working its magic, so it does not bother me as much. 4 hours later, in a clay pot, add 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Let's stir fry the onion. For this dish, I cut the onion and the tomato into large pieces to retain the texture for both. Once the onion gets soft, we'll add the tomato. Stir fry until the tomato gets soft. Add salt, the oxtails along with the broth. Cover the lid, bring to boil, then open the lid to boil on high heat for about 10 minutes to condense the broth. Voila! Time to enjoy. The oxtail meat is soft and fall off the bone with a little touch, and the broth is thick and tasty. The onion and tomato are not soggy at all, but soaked with delicious broth. Well, good to have you. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Please check out the other videos in my channel. Comment, like, and subscribe, which will help this little channel to grow. Thanks, and see you next time.